For all the reasons you might want a background sound machine, if you've got tendinitis in the ears, if you've got a train or something nearby, if you're trying to get a little kid to fall asleep, or whatever the use might be, I really like this Sharper Image background noise machine. So it's real easy to use. You put 4 AA batteries in the bottom. Alternatively, you could plug in a power source to it. There's a giant speaker on the back, which is pretty loud. You can also plug in earphones. This is the only one that I've seen that lets you plug in earphones, so you can have private background noise. Essentially, you hold it, you just set it on the table like this. The front is a display, and the top has all the controls. You turn it on, it immediately starts. We'll turn the volume down just a little bit. It is pretty loud. Oops, that's the wrong button. You've got a timer here. You can have it fade in and out, which is also kind of neat to change the volume around. Now you've got 4 options on each of the 3, so there's 12 different options here. White noise, rain, ambience, peace, stream, campfire, calm, and meditate. You got rainforest, ocean, tranquil, and relax. Great background noise, great ambient noises. You have a little indicator on the front, and it lasts a good long time with the loudspeaker on the back. Hope this helps.